Hey! Hello beautiful people, how are we all doing today on this beautiful day? Hopefully, I don't know if it's beautiful for you. For me, it's pretty nice outside. I'm kind of lying when I'm saying I'm gonna get ready for my birthday because look, my birthday was last week on the 27th of September, and I was looking forward to my birthday, okay? Because not only am I in Bali, you know, during my birthday, which is fire, but also Skrillex was literally playing at a beach club on my birthday. And I had tickets for that thing, and I was so excited. And then the night before my birthday, a terrible thing happened to me. I got Bali belly. Oh my god. If you do not know what Bali belly is, it's basically just a combination of projectile vomiting and explosive diarrhea. I threw up about 15 times in one night. I don't think that's healthy. I don't think it's good for a person. Also, I peed out of my ass. Probably too much information, but that's just, I just know how bad it actually was. So yeah, safe to say my birthday was a big fail. I still went to Skrillex though, which is kind of insane. I almost died mentally and physically, but I still went. But it was just not, it's just really not what I expected from it, okay? So I decided that that birthday doesn't count, and it's actually my birthday tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'm going to a beach club again, but this time to see Oliver Tree. So I'm just gonna get ready for my birthday, which is actually my birthday and not a fake one at all. Also, I do low-key feel like I'm getting sick again. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but it's I don't know. Maybe it's just the air conditioning, but I feel kind of fucky right now. Anyways, let's just go get ready for my birthday. My birthday. So I'm actually not really sure what I'm going to do yet, but I definitely want to whiten my teeth because I always want to do that, okay? And I want to get some like hair extensions, like long braids. See if I can find like hair that matches my hair color. Yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Also, I already did my lashes. I don't know if you can see. I got lash extensions. And they did such a bad job. Oh my god, they literally hurt my eyes. I don't know if you can see, they glued like the biggest chunks of lashes to my own lashes. Like, can you see? I'm pretty sure that's not how you're supposed to do lash extensions. But honestly, I will probably still go back to that place because the girls who work there, literally the sweetest people I've ever met in my entire life. Oh my god. Oh my god. If they ask me for my soul, I'll just give it to them. I don't care. They deserve it. Anyways, let's find somewhere where I can get some pearly whites before I'm so scared of getting sick though. I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get sick.
That's actually
Okay, so I got my teeth whitened. Apparently my teeth are already very white, so they only got like 2 shades lighter, which is fine. I don't know, can you even tell a difference? And now I'm gonna go find a hair shop where I can buy some pink extensions, like connectlam hair, so I can treat myself to very long tip braids. Yeah. Hey! Oh my god. I got my teeth whitened. Honestly, I don't see that much of a difference, but whatever, it's fine. And I also got the hair, like a neck-long hair. It was so hard to find like the right color because my hair is like, it's so many different colors right now. It's like super bright pink, but it's also like faded like mauve in the end. And then you can see it like from the back. I don't know, it's like so many different colors. I didn't know what to get, but I went for like mauve because I feel like this matches my bangs the best. So if you look at it from the front, it's gonna be the most natural. Also, I'm just getting more sick by the second. Isn't that hilarious? I'm getting more sick. This is my second birthday because I was sick on the first one, and now I'm getting sick on my second birthday. Why am I not allowed to have my birthday in Bali? What kind of bullshit is this? But yeah, I'm just gonna take a nap right now, and then hopefully that's gonna make me feel at least a little bit better, and then I'm gonna get my nails done. I am rectangular. Feel it in my bones. Oh, I got like the jankiest setup in my entire life, but that's okay, I guess. Okay, so I just got my nails done. Shay. Very pretty, very long. And now it is time to do my hair. For the hair, like I said, I got Kanekalan. I hope it's gonna look good. I feel like it's gonna mismatch so much, but we're just gonna try. So basically, what you do with this is you just like braid it into your own hair. So I'm gonna start off with 2 sections, 2 ponytails, and I'm just gonna feed the hair through my own hair and like braid it in. It is not the easiest thing to do, but also not the most difficult. I mean, practice makes perfect. So let's just get started on the hair. Also, the party is tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have like enough time to do my hair tomorrow morning. So I'm just gonna do it now and then sleep with it, and then hopefully it's gonna look good tomorrow. I am rectangular. Cut it in half, because this is like too long to braid with, you know. We're gonna cut it in half. And I only got like a tiny scissor with me, so let's hope it's gonna work. And then you wanna pull like the hair a little bit, so the ends are like even. You know, you wanna make it look a little bit more natural, basically. What you wanna do? Take this hair and put it through this, through the ponytail you just made. Normally I have like a little specific tool to do this, but I don't have anything over here. So let's see if I can do like this. Hey yo. So now what you want to do is you want to split this up into 4 pieces. 3 is for braiding and the other one is to like wrap it around. And then you just braid. You split your own hair up in 3 pieces too. Each piece gets a piece of the Kanekalan, and then you just braid. And every time you're braiding, you just add a little piece of Kanekalan. So it's probably smart to like have it ready already. So So I got some pieces over there, laying ready, and now I'm just gonna braid my hair. This, you get a little piece, and you feed that through, and then you just braid that the rest of your hair. And then you can take this one and then wrap it around the base. Damn. Hey yo. Okay, let me do the second one off camera and then I'll be right back. Oh shit. This is so cute. This is actually adorable. Look at my little braids. Yeah, the lighting kind of sucks here. I'm sorry for that. But I will take some better shots tomorrow so you can see it. Also, this braid is way better than this braid, but I can't be arsed to do it again. So, yeah, let's hope this is still gonna look good tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Hey! Wait, let me... My setup here is so bad. Hello everybody. It's the next day. I had to do my braids again because they did get fucked during my sleep, obviously. Today is the day of my birthday. Yeah, it's my actual birthday today. So happy birthday to me. These are my nails. You can see a little bit better now. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted to. Like I can show you the picture of what I asked for. But honestly, good enough. I don't really care that much anyways. How am I feeling so far? I'm feeling better than yesterday, but I definitely am still sick, which is super annoying. Anyways, we're just gonna put on makeup. Makeup. First off, sunscreen. Important, because it's very sunny over here. And the sun is dangerous, so we don't like that. Let's do the brows, because they're getting out of control. These lashes are done so poorly, it's actually insane. You can see like the glue and everything. Oh no. I feel like this is gonna rip like all my lashes out. Still love them though. Still love them. So for the makeup itself, I'm just gonna do something easy and like lightweight, because I will be swimming in a pool. And also it's like hot and sweaty out, so I don't want to sweat all my makeup off. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealer. My camera turned off and I didn't even notice, so sorry, but my makeup is finished. And now I'm just gonna put on my outfit. I'm gonna wear the tiniest skirt in human history. I'm already wearing the tiniest bikini in human history. Because I'm in Bali, okay? I'm in Bali and I feel like this is the place for tiny skirts and tiny bikinis. So I'm just gonna get dressed and then I'm ready to go. Not really, honestly, I still feel fucked. Oh my god, I literally just woke up from a nap and I still feel bad. But yeah, let me just get dressed and then show you the end results. Exciting. Ta-da! Oh my god. Anyways, I'm all ready for my second birthday party. Oh shit. Honestly, I just want to go to bed and sleep. But that's not what I'm gonna do. No, no, no. I'm going to the beach. Well, no, not the beach. I'm going to a beach club and see Oliver Tree. That is my plan. And I shall have a lot of fun. This is also like the tiniest glow up I've ever done in my life. Honestly, I feel like it's more of a get ready with me than an actual glow up. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. And I hope my second birthday is gonna be fun. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.